Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Periscope Telephoto zoom on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. So, we want to open up the camera app and we want to make sure that we are in the photo. Now, what we want to do is we want to step through the zoom levels. So, we want to go from 3.5x and we want to work our way up to higher super zoom range, which is 120. So if we have it set to 3.5, we can easily take a picture. Let me quickly do that, and it will still look good. So we got it right here. This is 12 megapixel. It looks amazing, and that's basically how you can swap through the zoom. So as you guys can see, whenever we go here and now go up here, we will basically see the information about the zoom right up top here. So there's a time where it just randomly pops up. For example, as you guys can see, here we saw it, but it's really hard to get a touch of it again. As you guys can see, now it says move further away, but sometimes it just gives you information about the zoom. So of course we have the wide shot, we got the normal zoom, and of course it will say to move it further away, but sometimes it will just give you the information about if you're using the periscope, if you're using the telephoto, and that's basically how you guys can easily use it. So you can use the zoom and the super zoom for keeping the details from a distance, and that's basically how you guys can use the Periscope Telephoto zoom. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.